Conduct incident management. Incident is an unplanned interruption to a service or reduction in the quality of a service. The purpose of the incident management is to minimize the negative impact of incidents by restoring normal service operation as quickly as possible. 7 phases in the incident management process are: detect the incident, respond to the incident, mitigate the effects of the incident, report the incident, recover from the incident, remediate all components affected by the incident, review the incident and document findings as lessons learned. Detection is the phase in which events are analyzed in order to determine whether these events might comprise a security incident. Response phase involves containing the incident and quarantining the affected assets to reduce the potential impact by preventing other assets from being affected. The mitigation phase limiting the scope of what the attack might do to the organization's assets. Reporting phase is the act to routinely inform the technical teams and the management teams about the latest findings regarding the incident. Recovery phase involves carefully restoring the system or systems to operational status. For example, for a compromised computer, you remediate it or restore it from a backup. For a broken window, you replace it. Remediation phase taking additional steps to reduce the chances of the same or a similar attack being successful. Lessons learned phase review each incident to discover what could be learned from it.